Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change language in Google Maps. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So you have to just go to the maps of your mobile phone, and here on the top right you have to go to the basically your profile icon. You have to tap on it, go to the settings, and here into the settings you will find an option which is called app language. Now here there's a lot of features. So here what you will see, there is a lot of languages which you can convert. So here for example there's a English and there's a other language too. Now if you scroll a little bit down, you will find all the options which is of all language. So here you can just select any of the language which you are comfortable with and you can choose. For example, let's say that I will choose this language. Now here it will say that maps will restart to change your app language. I will just click on OK. Now if I just go here, as you can see here, my language has been completely changed, right? So this is very easy and really interesting to do it. And if you found this video very helpful till now, then make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel.